Whakaalofa atu makou, mawhala, e aho nei, lali au ke tause umu I whale haku. I have my friend here, Davita.
Hey.
He's watching via Messenger. He was very intrigued by the Lovo I Fiji. So yeah, tause umu, hangi, Lovo, whatever you want to call it, I whale haku. Kamata au, mua au ke huo. Huo e pupu, huo pupu. O se huo si kele. So what I'm doing today now, I'm trying to make a umu. I just feel like it now. I went and got some advice from the old man, Mutuatane Haku. He was like, hey, what do you want to do that for? Go to the restaurant. Or it wasn't really encouraging at the start, but as the conversation went on, started telling me where he used to go to get. Where he went to go, Oke tau makatose. This might have been like 20, 30, 40 years ago when that fella, he said he always used to do umu. So he was giving me some tips. So yeah, basically all I gotta do is dig the hole, collect some rocks and some firewood. That's pretty much what he said. Firewood and rocks, that's the main thing. So yeah, what I'm doing now is just pulling the weeds from the garden, because our garden has nothing in it. And after I pull the weeds, and I'm gonna dig a hole. So I got Dave. Hey Dave. That's Dave. Hey. Yeah. That's the protege Dave. So once I get this done, I'm gonna pull the weed, dig the hole, and then from there I'll catch up. It's a bit of work. I don't have no cameraman or no stand for the camera. I'll just have to get back and show you the progress. Okay, to whilewhia. Whakaalofa atu. Mongo nei o mautolu ke maua e tau ngā awhi. Ngā awhi for the umu. What's up peeps? Today Tuesday, Ahoua. We're just off to go get some firewood. I've found it on Marketplace, found some firewood. It's called tea tree. Apparently it's good, slow burning wood for the umu. I had to drive all the way out to Mount Roskill. $3 a bag. Okay, hang on, I just got a phone call, I'll call you back. Alright, whakaalofa atu, just got interrupted by a phone call. I was calling hello and they didn't say anything, so yeah, we're just at Mount Roskill. Whakatau e tolu e tanga ngāwhi. Tanga, does that mean sack? Tanga ngāwhi, 3 bags. Tolu ngofulu, taha e tanga. So all up, kiva ngofulu for 3 bags.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Bremer
One bag is $30, so that's us. Still gotta get more rocks, but we're getting there, and I'm just getting the firewood. So after I bought the firewood, then we're gonna buy, try and find some sacks and some newspapers and stuff to cover it, and some tongs. So here we are. Okay, we'll catch up soon. Okay, just got to the house. So taha e tanga. So my car doesn't have the strut, so I have to put it in like this. Oh! That's one. Hang on. Taha, gotta go back, get the other 2. Right. Tolu e. So, tanga reve. Tanga ngāwhi. $30 per bag. The good thing about these bags is that it's nicely been packed nicely. It's not messy. So I'll definitely be coming back to these guys. This is just well done. muffer, heavy. So tuku e loto. Whakalofa atu. Hae. Kele. I've just dug up a little spot. Bro, it's a bit tata kia fence, a bit close to the fence, so people were saying, hey bro, neke tungi fence haku. So yeah, that's the umu right there. And I've got some what's this called? Patuo stones or maka rocks. So this is us getting there. Got to pull all this stuff again, but slowly working towards it. Can't wait. Whakalofa atu. Maua whalu nusi pepa. Ta mai matua whiwhine. So say mo. So peeps got some newspapers from my mum. She's been collecting my dad's heralds, because my dad collects the heralds every Sunday. But man, uka ke moua tau nusi pepa. It's been hard trying to find some newspapers because in Niue, shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Ryan. In Niue they used Lovo to cover the omu, Lovo. But over here we don't whai Lovo, so we have nusi pepa as a substitute. So that's been one of the hard things, plus the makatose or patuo. The patuo I'm still collecting, but that shouldn't be too hard because I've got I know where to get the patuo from. So we're getting closer, man. Getting hungry for some umu food. More taukese, more sahina, more mahakitanga haku. My brother Christian, he's keen. Brother Hayden and his son. My sister Missy and my other sister Wuma. And now my dad, my dad's like, hey, when we doing the umu? You know, he's getting a bit excited, so it's good. So I'm getting there. It's just a matter of finding these newspapers. If any of you watching live in Auckland and know where to get newspapers from, that'll be cool. You know, tala mai, tohi mai, or just write in the comments, you know, if you know where to get some newspapers from or who's been holding some, I can come grab them. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to the umu. Shout out to all the followers, you know, thanks. It's been a long time since the Fiji cruise. Just had a bit of break for posting because lave lahi o. As you might know, I've been being a part of the language classes on Saturday at Te Oro. Tō taha fuluala e wahanga wangahau Niue. Man, my students have been smashing it. You know, makakalahi. Ma fisike ako wangahau Niue. So that's been going good, and now we're planning this massive gala event for November the 16th. If you got anyone here that lives in New Zealand that watches this channel, or if you live overseas but you know someone that lives in New Zealand that's doing great works in the community, nominate them, because there's going to be an awesome dinner. It's a buffet dinner at the Holiday Inn in Mangere, and it's just going to be an awesome event where we get to celebrate Niue champions, Niue takitakis, Niue heroes, whatever you want to call them. We get to celebrate them amongst all our Niue community, have a dinner and have a good time. So you know, just be mindful that's coming up in November. It's going to be great, but as for now, got to get this umu done. Kia monuina, take care, tō whilawaia. Haia!